Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT remember information about you on your PC or desktop. So ChatGPT memory lets it remember important details about you such as name, occupation, preferences, interests or other information that you want it to keep in mind for future conversations. Once memory is enabled, ChatGPT can use this information to provide more personalization and relevant response without you having to repeat the same details every time. Before you begin, make sure memory is turned on in ChatGPT. If it is disabled, ChatGPT won't able to save or remember new informations. So if you like ChatGPT to remember information about you, here's how you can do it. First, open ChatGPT and then click on this ChatGPT button in the menu bar. After that, choose settings and then go to memory. Now here make sure you have enabled the toggle right to enable memory, and once memory is enabled, simply start a conversation with ChatGPT and tell it about the information you want it to remember. Simply you need to go to a new chat here and then here give it every information that you want it to remember, and also tell ChatGPT that remember this information into memory. If any pop-up will appear asking that ChatGPT will add this information into memory, then make sure you enable the toggle, or if pop-up appears, make sure you grant the permission. Once done, you can go to ChatGPT settings here and then go to memory summary. All the information that you will give to ChatGPT to save it in its memory, all that information will start appearing here. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.